Hello everyone. We're back with another exciting video. Today, we're unboxing the Eufy Security Indoor Camera C220. Join us as we guide you through installing the memory card, setting up internet connectivity, configuring the Eufy Security mobile app, and adjusting the recording settings for optimal performance. Let's dive in. First, let's unwrap the Eufy Security Indoor Camera C220 package. This impressive piece of technology is specifically designed for indoor HD monitoring, making it perfect for small businesses and office environments. It excels in close-range monitoring for spaces like warehouses, lobbies, server rooms, garages, and more. With stunning 2K resolution, you'll capture every detail clearly, ensuring that nothing goes unnoticed. Thanks to its on-device AI, this camera detects and recognizes human figures, recording their movements to keep you informed. The 360-degree surveillance feature eliminates blind spots, providing you with complete peace of mind. Privacy is also a priority. When you need it, simply activate privacy mode with a single press, and the camera will turn away. Enjoy the benefits of local security with no monthly fees. Just insert a microSD card, up to 128 GB, for direct storage of your footage. This allows you to store approximately 1 to 2 weeks of recordings without the hassle of managing storage constantly. Installation is straightforward, as this package comes with essential mounting hardware that includes a power adapter, USB cable, fixing screws, a drill template, and a comprehensive user manual. Everything you need for quick and easy setup is right here. Additionally, the Eufy Security Indoor Cam C220 seamlessly integrates with your smart home system and is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant for effortless control. Whether you want to monitor your loved ones or secure your home, this camera ensures you stay connected and protected. The first step: power off your camera. This is crucial to prevent any potential damage to both the camera and your microSD card during the installation or removal process. It only takes a moment, but trust me, this small step can save you a lot of trouble later on. Now, let's get started. The microSD card slots are conveniently located at the top of the rotating lens. Let's take a closer look at how to access them. First, gently lift the camera lens downward to reveal the inner components of the device. You'll notice icons indicating the card slot, clearly showing their purpose and the direction in which to insert the card. Now, let's focus on inserting the memory card. Ensure you're using a high-quality microSD card, as this camera supports cards up to 128 GB. This storage capacity provides ample space for extended recording durations, making it perfect for all your surveillance needs, whether residential or commercial. As you insert the memory card, make sure it fits snugly into the slot. Press it in until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. If you ever need to remove it, simply press gently again, and it should pop out effortlessly. Once the card is securely in place, double-check that it's seated correctly. This step is essential to prevent any data loss or recording errors down the line. We're almost done. The next step is to connect the provided DC power adapter to your camera and turn it on. And just like that, you're ready to start using your camera for all your surveillance needs. Once the camera is plugged in, it begins its startup sequence, which is indicated by a single rotation of the PT lens, showing that the device is turning on. Initially, a purple light will illuminate, signifying that the camera is in the booting process. This phase ensures that all internal systems are activated and functional before the camera becomes fully operational. As the booting process nears completion, the light will transition from purple to blue. The appearance of the blue light is an important indicator that the camera is ready for further configuration. At this stage, you can connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network and set it up through the corresponding mobile app, ensuring you're prepared to utilize all of its features effectively. Download and install the Eufy Security app. To download and install the Eufy Security app, you can either scan the QR code provided in the user manual or start by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type Eufy Security app and ensure you locate the version developed by Anchor in the search results. Once you find the app, tap on it to open its page, then click the Install button, accepting any permissions if prompted. This will initiate the download process, and the installation will continue automatically once the download is complete. The entire process typically takes just a few minutes. Once the app is installed, you can either tap Open to launch it directly or find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Upon opening the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to select your region. It's important to choose your correct country to ensure optimal app performance and connectivity with local servers. After completing these initial setup steps, the Eufy Security app will be ready for use with your Eufy camera. To use the Eufy Security app and your camera effectively and securely, you need to create a user account. If you already have an account, simply log in by entering the email address associated with it. For those new to the Eufy Security app, you'll need to register first. Start by entering your email address in the designated field and clicking the Sign Up button. The app will then send a verification code to the provided email address. Once you receive the code, check your email and return to the app to enter it in the appropriate field. This step verifies that you own the registered email address. After verification, create a strong password that meets the app's security requirements, typically consisting of a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This registration and login process ensures your account is secure and accessible, providing a convenient way to manage your Eufy camera settings through the Eufy Security app. The app may prompt you to enable notifications in your phone settings to receive camera alerts for motion and human detection, among other features. If you'd like to stay informed about activity detected by your camera, it's a good idea to enable this option. This way, you'll receive real-time notifications, keeping you updated on any movements or events that occur in the monitored area. To add the camera in the Eufy app, first, launch the application on your smartphone and look for the option labeled Add Device or the plus symbol, typically found on the home screen or in the device management section. Tapping this option will direct you to a menu where you can select the type of device you want to add. In this case, you'll choose the option for wired devices, ensuring you select the appropriate category for your camera. As your demonstration focuses on the C220 model, you'll specifically select that model from the list provided. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the app is set up to recognize the device you intend to install. Once you've selected the correct camera model, the app may prompt you to allow access to your phone's camera to scan the QR code located on the body of the device. This QR code is vital for establishing a secure connection between your camera and the app. By enabling camera access, the scanning option will be activated within the app, allowing you to quickly capture the QR code. Locate the QR code on the body of your camera, which is typically found on a sticker. Position your smartphone so that the camera scanner can clearly see the QR code. The app will automatically recognize and process it. This QR code contains essential identification and configuration information for your camera. Once scanned, the app will guide you through the subsequent steps, including connecting the camera to your Wi-Fi network. During this setup process, you may be prompted to grant location access to the app. After enabling location access permissions, you'll see the Wi-Fi signals for your home internet router. Note that your phone must be connected to the same network for the app configuration. Keep in mind that the camera only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz network. Once you have selected your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password and click Next to proceed with the camera's network setup. At this point, the camera should be powered on, and the LED light should be blue. The app will then prompt you to press the SWNC button located at the bottom of the camera. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds until you hear a beep, confirming that the camera is syncing with the app. Once you hear the beep sound and see the blue LED blinking on the camera, Tap the Next button in the app to generate the QR code for the Wi-Fi connection. Hold your smartphone so that the QR code is visible to the camera lens, maintaining a distance of about 10 to 20 centimeters for optimal recognition.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
The camera will process the QR code, and upon successful recognition, it will provide a voice prompt saying, "Connecting to the Wi-Fi network." This confirmation indicates that the camera is in the process of connecting to your home network, paving the way for the final setup steps.
Setup was successful.
Once the camera successfully connects to your Wi-Fi network, it will confirm the setup by announcing, "The setup was successful." At the same time, the app will notify you that the camera has been added successfully. After receiving this naming feature helps you easily identify different cameras if you have multiple devices set up in various locations. The app will also prompt you to choose the notification types that best suit your needs. By default, the microphone for audio recording is disabled. If you'd like to enable audio recording to capture both video and audio, simply toggle the audio recording option. Once you've made your selections, click Next to continue with the setup process. The app as it helps the app adjust the camera's image orientation to ensure that you get the best view possible from the intended position. Choose the appropriate placement type based on where you plan to install the camera. Additionally, the app may offer other basic features that you can select according to your preferences. That's it. Your camera has been successfully configured to connect to Wi-Fi and added to the app. If prompted for a firmware update, be sure to update the firmware to the latest version. This process will take a few minutes but is essential for optimal performance. Now you can proceed to install the camera in its designated location, which is crucial for ensuring that it monitors the desired area effectively. Once installed, the camera will become fully operational, allowing you to take advantage of features such as live streaming, where you can view real-time footage directly from your smartphone or tablet from anywhere. The playback feature enables easy access to previously recorded footage, so you can review events that occurred while you were away. Additionally, the PTZ, Pan Tilt Zoom, control gives you the flexibility to remotely adjust the camera's angle and zoom in on specific areas as needed. To check the status of your memory card, navigate to the camera settings in the Eufy Security app, then go to the General option and select Storage. From there, click on Local Storage. If the card appears as uninitialized or shows no free space, select the Format button to format the card for recording. Once the formatting process is successfully completed, the card's status will change to In Use, and you'll be able to see its available storage capacity. For accessing recorded footage, simply switch to the SD card storage view. By default, the camera is set to record motion detection events, but you can customize the recording mode to better suit your specific needs. All these features are easily accessible through the Eufy Security app, which functions seamlessly over mobile data or Wi-Fi worldwide. This connectivity allows you to monitor your property in real time, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. For more detailed information or clarifications on various settings and functionalities, be sure to check out additional segments of this video series, as they will provide comprehensive explanations to help you make the most of your Eufy security system. If you found this video useful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Your contributions enable us to create more informative content and continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether you choose to like the video, share it with others, or subscribe to our channel, every bit of support truly makes a difference and is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being a part of our community. Your engagement inspires us to keep delivering high-quality content.